Hi, and welcome to this video that is going to show you how to do a batch file. So we've got as you can see on the right hand side of my screen, we've got a list of domains with the field or with the column header domain. And then we've just got normal domains. There's no http:// and there's no www. Once I've got that, I've saved that as a .csv onto my machine with no spaces in the name. So for example, it could be called test.csv or data.csv, but it couldn't be called data space and then another word .csv. That doesn't seem to like that. Anyway, once you've got that, once you've saved it onto your desktop, you go to your account, click sign in on Contact Enhance, sign in with your username and password like normal, then go over to your dashboard. You need to make sure that you've got enough credits first of all. So I've got 6,000 credits left in my account, which is okay. Go over to your dashboard and then you'll see that I've done a couple of files already today. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click choose file and then I'm going to select the file that I want to do, which is actually this test file here, which has got the domains in it. Look, it's just one little list of domains.csv, and then click open. Once I've done that, the uploading starts. Once it's uploaded, you'll see that I can actually download the file that I did upload. It started processing, and when it's finished, it will say that it's finished and put the resulting file here. Now, the only thing that is going to be a hiccup on this presentation is that I don't actually know how long it'll take to finish it. Don't forget, Contact Enhance runs one record at a time. If I just refresh that a few times, we should see whether or not it finishes it. It's still processing. So, and I think that there's about 100 records on this. So if I refresh it a couple of times, we should be able to find out how it works. For one that I did a bit earlier, we can see here that I've got one that I downloaded or that I finished earlier and one that I did this morning. This one here is actually the one that I'm doing now. So we can click download, and what that does is it takes me through, instead of just having the domain now, I've actually got quite a bit of information. As you can see here, I've got the domain, but I've also got an email address back. I've got a company name, I've got a postcode, I've got a telephone number, I've got a title, I've got a first name and a surname, and I've got a job title. I've got the annual revenue for the business, I've got the SIC codes, the SIC descriptions. I've also got geographical coordinates, employee bandwidth, and I've got fleet band as well. And then I've got some postcode areas. So that gives you an idea. Now on this row here, you can see that we actually haven't been able to return anything. So that wouldn't use a credit. This one here, because we have been able to return information, this would use a credit. This one here wouldn't use a credit because we've not been able to find anything. If we go down a little bit further, we may be able to find one where it's actually discovered the Twitter ID. If we do find the Twitter ID or the Facebook page, we will return that. On this one here, it's only found the telephone number, the postcode area, and the company name. It's not found any other information. And this is not the registered company name. This is, as far as we know, the trading company name. So it's not Companies House API data. This is a data that we build using business intelligence and a number of different algorithms to identify what is the trading address and how likely it is that the telephone number is going to be accurate. So any questions, please do let me know, and until the next presentation, that's me signing out. Thank you, bye.